Hello everyone. Today, let's take a deep dive into GoInsight.AI. It is not just an enterprise-grade AI collaboration and automation platform, but also the AI operating system for enterprises undergoing AI transformation and implementation. To understand the core of GoInsight.AI, we need to look at three key dimensions: one entry point, two roles, and three kernels. Workspace is a core feature of GoInsight.AI. The one entry point refers to the workspace. Through the workspace, all enterprise employees can collaborate with AI, workflows, and colleagues. They can ask questions, retrieve knowledge, and directly invoke workflows and applications within the conversation, making it the unified entry point for daily work. We will introduce the workspace in more detail later. The two roles refer to the builder and the operator. In an enterprise, we know that not everyone can be a builder. So the builder is mainly responsible for building AI applications and automation workflows, while the operator, which represents the majority of employees, uses these outcomes through the workspace. This not only unleashes the productivity of the builder, but also truly empowers the entire staff with AI, accelerating enterprise implementation. That covers the one entry point and two roles of GoInsight.AI. Next, let's talk about its three kernels. The first kernel is system integration and business automation. Its main purpose is to break down system silos, shifting business operations from manual-driven to automation-driven. In GoInsight.AI, you can use visual workflows to connect CRM, ERP, ticketing systems, notification channels, databases, and more, enabling automatic execution of cross-system tasks. It also supports data collection, cleaning, routing, and write-back. This avoids manual data entry, ensuring information is real-time and accurate. Of course, we also provide logic capabilities like conditions, loops, branches, global, session, and temporary variables, integrating them into AI's understanding and intelligent decision-making capabilities. This not only makes processes more predictable, traceable, and optimizable, but also allows for automatic understanding of business scenarios, intelligently adapting to changes and optimizing processing methods, achieving more efficient and flexible automated operations. So, as the first of the three kernels, system integration and business automation mainly aims to reduce repetitive labor, cut labor costs, and upgrade enterprise business from digitalization to automation. The second kernel is AI application creation and publishing. This is designed to ensure AI doesn't just stay in the prototype phase, but becomes a real, launchable business application. You can quickly build diverse AI applications like Q&A bots, intelligent customer service, internal assistants, document analyzers, and more. Our built-in knowledge base and RAG engine support vector retrieval, document reading or writing, and prompt and code version management, facilitating tuning and reuse. You can also support one-click publishing to the internal employee entry point, which is our workspace, as well as external channels, such as an external customer service bot on your official website. It simultaneously possesses permissions, session management, and auditing capabilities. As the second of the three kernels, AI application creation and publishing primarily ensures that enterprise AI capabilities can be quickly implemented, truly entering daily operations and helping business departments benefit directly. The final kernel is our collaborative intelligent workbench. It goes beyond the one-way interaction of humans asking and AI answering, creating a co-creation scenario for humans, machines, and multi-agents. This is divided into several parts. The collaboration workspace is the primary hub for team collaboration and execution. Within a single thread, team members can mention colleagues, multiple AIs, or workflows. Context and results are automatically shared, creating a seamless, cross-functional collaboration chain. It supports parallel collaboration between a single user and multiple AIs, as well as group co-creation involving multiple users and multiple AIs. This streamlines the discussion, breakdown, and execution of complex tasks, transforming AI from a simple Q&A bot into a true digital colleague on your team. Personal Chat is your private workspace for interacting directly with AI. It's perfect for quick queries, drafting content, running tests, and organizing your personal thoughts. Everything here is private and visible only to you by default. It's the ideal place to flesh out ideas before sharing them with the team, specifically into the collaboration workspace we just covered. You can validate your concepts and finalize your materials first. You can also use Explore AI to browse and trigger any AI applications and automated workflows created by a builder or operator. Team members can access these based on their assigned permissions, truly turning AI into an everyday toolkit for your daily operations. The collaborative intelligent workbench not only improves efficiency, but thoroughly reshapes the way we collaborate, bringing enterprises into a new era of human-machine co-creation. Next, I will introduce the main functions of GoInsight.AI. What you see now is the management backend of GoInsight.AI. I will introduce it to you from the perspectives of both the operator and the builder. Let's start from the operator's perspective and introduce the main functions they will use. The first is the workspace. This is one of our core features. It's not just a simple chat window, but a unified entry point for enterprise employees to converse and collaborate with AI. Whether it's daily questions, triggering automation workflows, invoking applications, or human-machine collaboration, everything can be done here in one stop. For example, I can ask a very routine question now. How's the weather in New York today? You can see it performed a real-time web search and provided a pretty good response. We have also integrated massive commercial models. You can select different models based on task type and requirements. When it involves confidential data, you can use certified models for the conversation, achieving zero storage and zero training on your data. If the enterprise has higher data security requirements, the builder can also self-host GoInsight.AI, keeping data flow entirely within the enterprise. Besides conversing with AI, you can also browse and invoke various pre-built AI applications and automation workflows within the enterprise via Explore AI based on your account permissions. Then there is the collaboration workspace. You can add colleagues, multiple AIs, or workflows. Context and results are automatically shared, forming a cross-departmental collaboration chain. For instance, I have 3 workflows here, used for retrieving customer allocation from the CRM system, drafting emails, and sending emails. Let me demonstrate the effect. For example, I want to know which new customers were assigned to me yesterday. I'll add my first workflow. You can see it retrieved the 3 new customers assigned to me yesterday from our CRM system. Next, I might want to send a welcome letter to Danny. Let's add the email drafting assistant and ask it to help me draft an email first. You can see it helped me write a welcome letter to Danny. I think the overall result is quite good. Next, I'll have it help me send it to Danny. At this point, I will invoke the 3rd workflow, which is the email sending workflow. You can see it has already helped me send this email to Danny. Here, you can see that through the first workflow, we obtained the 3 new customers assigned to me in the CRM system, and then used the other 2 workflows to help me draft and send the email respectively, thereby achieving the operation of my business process. To summarize, all enterprise employees can use the workspace to collaborate with AI, workflows, and colleagues. They can ask questions, retrieve knowledge, and directly invoke automation workflows and AI applications within the conversation, truly empowering the entire staff with AI and accelerating enterprise AI implementation. Okay, having introduced the workspace, let's look at QuickBot. It focuses on specific scenarios with pre-configured rules, acting as a lightweight conversational assistant focused on Q&A. Currently, it supports 2 types, AI Business Card and General Bot. Regarding QuickBot content, we will introduce it in detail in later courses. I'll just briefly mention it here. Next, let's look at the 3rd part, Insight Flow. This is also one of our very core features. For an operator, you can build basic workflows here. I will demonstrate building a simple workflow for you now. I'll insert an agent node here and pass its output directly to the answer node. Then, inside the agent node, I'll give it a Google search tool, giving this agent the ability to search the web. Okay, our workflow is built just that simply. Let's look at its effect. For example, I want it to search online for today's gold price. You can see it has successfully found today's gold price for me. The result is quite impressive. So for an operator, you can create some simple workflows here. We provide a vast number of nodes, tools, and other features to assist you in quickly building workflows. We also provide massive prompt templates and workflow templates. You can quickly apply prompt templates to an LLM node or agent node, or quickly create a workflow based on workflow templates. There's no need to start from scratch, significantly improving efficiency. These are some of the functions an operator would use. Next, I will introduce what other functions are available from the builder's perspective. First is our groups and members. You can create different department groups here. You can invite colleagues in and set granular permissions for them. Currently, the roles we provide are super admin and team member. A super admin can see all bots, knowledge bases, and workflows by default. A team member can only see bots, knowledge bases, and workflows they created or have access to. Regarding permissions, we ensure granular division for people with different access levels. Of course, we just mentioned Insight Flow. Our builders can also use Insight Flow to build more advanced workflows. Through the built-in nodes and tools we provide, you can achieve richer, more high-level workflow construction and automation processes. Next, let's look at chat history. Here you can view chat logs between users and published AI bots or interactive flows. You can flag responses or leave comments, facilitating subsequent review and optimization. Then let's look at the usage data section. Here you can view specific usage details of GoInsight.AI, including the number of workflows created, number of bots, knowledge base size, tokens consumed, etc., providing a basis for enterprise AI application management and resource planning. Finally, there is our knowledge base, which is also one of our very core features. We know that while public conversational AI possesses general knowledge, it lacks exclusive internal enterprise knowledge. A builder can store internal enterprise knowledge, such as product manuals and business specifications, in the knowledge base. This provides context support for AI and can also be invoked within workflows. Regarding the knowledge base part, we will have detailed course introductions later. Finally, let's summarize the content of this video. GoInsight.AI is an enterprise-grade AI collaboration and automation platform, and the operating system for enterprise AI transformation. It centers around one entry point, which is the workspace, 2 roles, which are builder and operator, and 3 kernels, system integration and business automation, AI application creation and publishing, and the collaborative intelligent workbench. In future content, we will introduce detailed functions revolving around these topics. All right, see you next time.